Hey guys, Santos here with RedBird. I want to bring you a video today about something that gets asked a lot of the times. We have a new MacBook Pro here that we're going to be setting up, and we're going to be pretty much copying or taking an image of a other MacBook Air that we're bringing into the MacBook Pro. So we wanted just to walk through some of those steps with you. It's pretty easy. So come along and check it out. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look as soon as you open the MacBook up. We have our hard drive connected. So this is where the other Mac has been backing up through Time Machine. So let's just go right into this. Basically, just click on this guy, first screen. It's going to pick your language. I'm going to do English. The next one will be your country. So I'll go down and look for United States. Accessibility, most of the time we're going to say not now. If you have some of these needs, you can go through these steps to set things up here, but this is pretty self-explanatory. You know, options for vision, motor, hearing, and cognitive that you can set up on the Mac itself to assist you. It's very similar to what you could do on an iPhone and an iPad, but we're going to say not now. We're going to pick your Wi-Fi. Kind of asks you this right off the bat in case the laptop needs updates or anything like that before you bring your data out. It kind of looks on the servers, Apple servers, for any updates, always updates before you continue. So that's why we gotta join the Wi-Fi. See if I got that right. And we got connected, simple data privacy, hit continue. So this is where we want to get into. So right off the bat, it's going to ask you for two options. It's something that Apple does very, very, very well, is that it gives you a clear path to upgrade from either a PC, from another Mac, or restore a backup from a Time Machine backup. So we're going to go ahead and pick the first option that says from a Mac, Time Machine backup or startup disk. It's asking us to connect to AC power. It's warning us that you should be connected to AC power. We're just going to say continue right now for the purposes of this video. Right now it's searching what devices it considers available to restore from. We have a backup Wi-Fi NAS here set up, so that's why it's showing up on the option, but we are going to go with the backup disk that we have attached. So we're going to hit continue, and it's going to give you some options here. So here we have a couple backups. We are restoring from the MacBook Air on this drive. So we're going to pick the MacBook Air. It kind of gives you a general view of what the backup folder is. Gives you right now we have two backups that we could pick from. One's from February, one's from yesterday. Obviously we're going to pick the one from yesterday. Hit continue, and then the process is going to start. You're going to see down here in the middle, or I'm sorry, at the bottom of the screen, it's going to kind of give you some timelines. It's going to give you processing, calculating. What do you want to transfer? We want to transfer everything because we want it to pretty much look identical to what the MacBook Air was. So we're going to leave everything checked. We're going to hit continue. We're going to, nice thing about Apple is that it kind of reads user information and things like that from the MacBook Air. So we get to set a password right away. We'll just set something generic right here for now. So what we did there is that will be the password that needs to be typed in when this process finishes on this MacBook Pro. And you just hit continue, and this is the process that you kind of got to wait for. On a hard drive like this, this is a spinny drive. This is not an SSD, so it will take a little bit more, anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your backup and the size of the amount of data that you have. But once this is completed, the nice thing is that you pretty much have an identical copy of what was on the other Mac. You will have to pretty much just boot it up, log in with the new password we set up, and then some of the things that you'll just have to do is kind of just log back into all your accounts. So if you have your emails, your iCloud account, you got to set all that back up, but that in itself is pretty self-explanatory. And then you're done. And this is pretty much all there is to it. There you go, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and if we can assist you, we will do so. So thanks for watching. Till next time.